This bird cage and bird can be made any size. To make the one I made, I used this size paper and a dinner plate, and I drew around it to make my circle. Then I cut it out. I cut out two at a time. One is for the bottom and one is for the top. Now for the bottom circle, I don't do anything to it, but for the top one, to make the cage, I'm going to fold it in two and then fold it again. Now to make the cuts, to make the cage, you want to start on either side, it doesn't matter. Cut through the fold and almost to the next fold. Then go to the other side and cut through that fold almost to this fold, but stop before you get there. Then go to the other one, cut almost all the way around, then start on the opposite side, go again almost to the end, then do it again till you get down as far as you want. Now you can make as many lines as you want, because the thicker the lines, the shorter the cage will be. If you make thin lines, then the cage will be real long. It's up to you. Then you just start and cut. First on one side and then on another. Each time you're cutting the opposite way. When you open it up, it looks like this. And this will be the top. This part right here. And then around this edge, you just simply glue it to the bottom, and that's your cage. To make the little bird, I folded the paper because you want the bird to be a little bit dimensional. And I'm just going to start and make a big curve around almost to the other side. When I get there, I'm going to make a little triangle-like shape, then go to the top. Then I'm going to make two triangles here. And the eye will be here. Then some lines for the tail feathers. Then you're going to cut this out. You don't want to cut right here, you just want to cut the little triangles at the top out so that the little bird looks like this. To make the wings, I again folded the paper and I started and just made a curve down and then loops back up all the way. And your wings and birds do not have to look like mine. After I cut it out, it looks like this. And I cut a slit in the bird so that I could slip the wings through. And I made eyes and a beak on it. Open it up. And then I put a hole here and I put strings through it so that it would hang from the little bird cage. Thanks for watching. Please remember to be kind, and please click the subscribe button.